Alright, now, natapik ang bola na kuha ni Dizon. Dizon now. Back pass. Na kuha ni Ramos. Ramos, guarded by Eusebio. Ramos pa rin. Ramos. Side steps. No good. Rebounded by Dizon. Dizon now. Pass to Antonio. Long pass to Eusebio. Tumilan, no good. Pero may tawag ang ating referee. Foul committed by number 20, Valera. That is your first team foul and first personal foul. Two goal shots. No good. Second shot and final throw. No good pa rin. Rebounded by Mendigoria. Pass to Luna. Tumira sa tres. No good. Nagagawa ng bola na kuha ni Antonio. Antonio, pass to Eusebio. Eusebio drives and shoots. No good. Rebounded by Valera. Then to Luna. Intercepted by Dimala. Pero outside. Loose ball. Bola pa rin ng Uno Spear. Pass to Ramos. Ramos now, pass to Valera. Tumira sa tres. No good. Rebounded by Mendigoria. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ngayon.
Baba na!
Yeah. Then pass to Dimala. 8 minutes and 52 seconds para sa team.
Depensa!
Pass to Ia. Tumira sa tres. No good pa rin. Dizon, yes sir! The first 2 points coming from Dizon. Ramos for rebound. Pass to Duda. Duda. Then pass. Oh, loose ball. Loose ball.
Yung depensa nyo ay...
Ano, coach?
Dizon for rebound.
Coach.
Pass to Dimala. Then to Eusebio. Then to Antonio. Tumira sa tres. No good. Rebounded by Ia. Yup, yes sir! 2 points! Ramos for rebound. Pass to Valera. Then to Ramos, number 29.
Reserve timeout.
Reserve timeout para sa ating Udo Spear. Luda for 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Eusebio. Eusebio drives up. Offensive foul! Number 20. Timeout rep. Timeout. Team Udo Spear. Luda for rebound. Pass to Ramos, number 20. Ramos drives and lays up, no good. Pero may tawag ng foul. Foul committed by number 14. Ia. First throw, yes sir, 1 point.
Sino mo yung guhit, Lloyd? Lloyd! Guhit!
Another throw, no good. Pero rebounded by Ramos pa rin. Tumira, no good. Rebounded by Valera. Valera, wala pa rin. Rebounded by Dizon. Then pass to Ia. Then to Dimala. Oh, may tawag ang referee. Foul committed by Luda. Dizon for inbound. Pass to Sakpa. Tawag, nakuha pa rin. Sakpa. Then to Antonio. Antonio for 3. No good. Rebounded by Dimala. Yes, sir. That is for 2 points. Mendigoria for rebound. Pass to Ramos. 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. Ramos. Thanks, pero tumira. No good. Rebounded by Antonio. Then pass to Dimala. 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. 10 points lead lang ang kalamangan. Tumira sa tres. Yes! Ramos stops, takes the perimeter. Yes, sir! 2 points! Reserve timeout. Uno, dos, Spear. Dimala, no good. Big balat pa rin. Yes, sir. Time out. Then Ligoria, let's check this up. For 2 points. Ramos down. Ramos pa rin. Ramos drives. Pass to the masyadong mababa. Loose ball. Bola ng Stasis. Dizon for inbound. Pass to Eusebio. Eusebio now.
Oh, likod.
Pass to sa